Welcome back guys, this is Ashwin here. In this video we are going to solve the problem compare two linked list. You are given the pointer to the head nodes of two linked list. Compare the data in the nodes of the linked list to check if they are equal. The lists are equal only if they have the same number of nodes and the corresponding nodes contain the same data. Either head pointer given may be null, meaning that the corresponding list is empty. So in this problem, we have to compare the two linked lists whether both are equal or not. Sometimes the linked list size may or may not be equal, and sometimes the head pointer may also be null. We have to check all the cases, and we have to return 1 if they are equal and 0 if they are not equal. Okay, let's check the constraints. Here the test case can go up to 10 and n can go up to 1000. The number in the linked list can also go up to 1000. So in this problem also, we don't need to worry about the constraints because we are going to solve the problem in linear time. So that's it for the constraints. Let's check the examples. We have one example here. The sample input is somewhat difficult to understand because all are ones and twos. We just see the case in the explanation. So in the first case, there are two linked lists. One linked list has two elements, that is 1 and 2, and the second linked list has only one element, that is 1. So both the linked list are not equal, we have to return 0. So in the second case, we have two elements in the first linked list and two elements in the second linked list. Both the elements are same. So we have to return 1 because both the linked list are equal. Okay, let's solve the problem now. Okay, I'll just create a new variables for the naming convention. Head1 equals LList1. Head2 equals LList2. So that's it for the naming convention. If you want, you can change the name here or use the same name as this. I'll change it to head1 and head2 because it is easy to explain with that. Now we have to check for the condition that both the linked list pointers have some element in the node. That is, while head1 not equals none and head2 not equals none, we are checking both the head pointers are not equal to null. You can use this or while head1 and head2, both the statements are same. You can exclusively represent a not equal to none in the condition, or else you can leave it as this. It means if some element is there, it is true. Okay, that's our condition in the while loop. Inside the while loop, we have to check for the condition that is both the linked list data are same. If head1 dot data equals head2 dot data, we will go to the next pointer, that is head1 equals head1 dot next, head2 equals head2 dot next. So if both the data are same, we will move to the next pointers. Check data are same. If it's not the same means obviously the linked list are not equal. In the else part, we will return 0. So this will continue until one of the head pointers reaches the end. So outside the while loop, we have to check for another case. This can be a corner case too. That is, if one of the linked lists reaches the end and the other link is not reached the end. If head1 equals none and head2 equals none, that means it reaches the end of the list. Return 1. So both the linked lists will be equal, or else we will return 0. So this is the whole logic of the problem. So these are just naming conventions. And after that, we are checking both the head pointers has some element in the node. If the condition satisfies, we will check both the data are same. If both the data are same, we will move to the next pointers of both the linked list. If it's not the same means we will return 0. After the loop breaks, we have to check whether both the linked list reaches the end. That means both the pointers will be none. If one of the pointers have some elements means it will go to the else part, so we will return 0. That means the linked list are not equal. If it's equal, we will return 1. So let's run the code now. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. Yeah, we solved the problem. If this video is helpful to you, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for future videos. See you guys in the next video.